Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
iPhone 11, 128 gigabytes, price in India starts from 56,999 rupees. The lowest price of iPhone 11, 128 gigabytes, is 56,999 rupees at Amazon on the 14th of November 2020. This smartphone is available in two other variants like 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes with color options like black, green, purple, red, white, and yellow.
Let's help you make your mark.
Apple iPhone 11 review. The best $700 iPhone Apple has ever made. The good even faster speed, improved battery life. The iPhone 11's cameras get an excellent new night mode and an ultra-wide angle camera that can add extra detail in photos. Fantastic video camera.
Take our lead.
Apple's reputation and brand allow it to charge a premium for its high-end products like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And adding memory or storage to these products increases the cost even more. Because of this Apple tax, Apple products are often more expensive than its competitors.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.